Not all tire rotation patterns work well for every situation. Most patterns are chosen depending upon which axle of the vehicle moves the vehicle forward, front, rear, or both. Rear-wheel drive cars and trucks should usually use the rearward cross tire rotation pattern to ensure even tire wear. The front tires move to the rear and across to the opposite sides of the vehicle. The rear tires move to the front but stay on the same sides of the car or truck. The rearward cross is designed to improve tire wear for rear-wheel driven cars and trucks. It helps better distribute tire wear evenly to each tire over time. After rotating the tires with the rearward cross a few times, each tire will rotate to every location around your vehicle. This allows the tire to experience the unique wear patterns of each tire position and allow them to average out over the course of several tire rotations. The reason the rearward cross is best suited for a rear-wheel drive is because it replaces the tire that usually wears the fastest on a rear-wheel drive vehicle, the driver's rear tire, with the tire that usually wears the slowest, the passenger front tire. If you'd like to learn more about tire rotation and tires in general, check out tiregrades.com.